It's Sunday. It's the first day that we've had of the summer holidays together because the kids were at Ben's from Friday afternoon after school when they broke up until yesterday afternoon. So me and the girls watched a movie last night and we made a Hello Fresh box, which was super fun. And then today, Ari, come here. Come here. What are we doing?
Done my hair pink.
And
my hair purple.
we are bleaching the girls' hair. Before anyone poops their pants about bleach on them, I'm only doing the ends, so it's not going to be near their skin. But Mika's got a purple that she wants, and Ari wants pink. I always let them dye their hair in the summer holidays, have done for a few years now, and it's super fun, just washes out, and then the bleach bit we'll just cut off if we need to in September.
Well,
If your teacher says it's fine, then it'll be fine. But yeah, that is what we're doing. So I'll show you when we've got the bleach on. Yeah. You are a little bit butthead. Yeah. Bleach Mika's for a bit. We don't want to put too long on. Now she's got her purple on. And Aria is also a bit butthead. But Ari, we can wash yours off now because yours doesn't need to be on very long. Ari's hair's done. She's really happy with it. It's a little bit wet. We just had Greg's for lunch. And we got Greg's donuts. Mika's hair's done. We might need to do it a little bit more, but you're happy with it at the moment, aren't you? Just going to let it dry. This looks so
Picture
good.
my donut.
Wow. You do me a bite? Yum. How's yours?
Good. I found the marshmallow.
It's not marshmallows. It's like a creamy stuff. Let's see your hair in the sunshine. Turn around. It looks so pretty, Ari.
Yeah?
Yeah, so pretty. You happy with it?
Yeah.
Good. We let the cats upstairs for a little while. And this one is very happy. And yeah. I'm making biscuits in my neck fat.
I got butter read.
Okay.
I got balls on there.
Oh, he's got his claws. Ow, Binksy claws. Aggressive. Aggressive cuddles. Where's everyone else gone? Have they gone downstairs? I've got cat snot on my glasses, I can see it. Ow, neck, ow, ow. All the marks he's done. Ow. Do you even care? He just doesn't give a shit. What did you just say? Who cuddles Mama?
Alright.
He said, he just climbed up and said, these kids cuddle Mama.
These kids cuddle Mama.
Yeah? Right, Ari. Let's see your hair then, Ari.
Meow.
In the sunshine.
Meow.
So pretty, isn't it?
Meow.
Mika, let's see your hair.
Picture my hands.
Turn around, sweet it.
Okay.
So she's got lilac-y ends. And you both love it, don't you?
Yeah. Yes.
What colour did you want to do your hair?
Yellow.
Yellow. Foxy lip. Are we all fitting on the teeny tiny sofa? Don't give him a wedgie because he just headbutted me.
He just headbutted me.
No, just have cuddles.
What are you doing, pal?
It's close to Fox's bedtime, so he is fully insane.
Yeah. Don't know why.
Look, he's gonna fall off. He's gonna fall off.
I want him to fall off.
Oh
The lava.
We're gonna go. Say no, no.
No.
Where are we?
No.
It's not a zoo. It's a horse sanctuary. And this is Celeste, and she is grumpy. What noise did she just make? Did she make a big fart noise with her mouth?
There's another one.
Yeah, there's another one over here called Havana. She's busy eating. Fox has found a ladybug. Oh, Ari, look how cute that one is. Are you going to try and stroke her? Oh, I don't know if we can actually, because there's another fence in the way. But they said they like lots and lots of head pats. Yeah, well, it's a horse sanctuary, so there will be a lot. That one's so cute. Oh, I think Foxy, it's on Foxy's map, I think.
Why they got that black thing?
To stop the flies on her face. She's having some nice food.
And their lovely hair.
They like these.
You know, some people, when they have horses to do show jumping, they braid their hair and put plaits in it. Did you know that? With bobbles and stuff. There's so many over there. Foxy, look! Goats! They are so cute. I think there's a baby one.
It's an electric fan.
No, it's not an It's not an electric fence. There's another one there. Look. Hi. Oh. Well, they do like to eat everything, so you might be able to, but they're a little bit. If they come up here, then you might be able to. Come here. Oh, I love goats so much. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Their eyes look mental.
Do you think they're twins?
Yeah.
Maybe they're twins.
Well, this one might be that's the mummy one, and then the two baby ones.
Aww.
So cute. You gonna do it, Foxy?
I'll show you
Behind his ears.
Oh, Mika's stroking the big one.
Behind his ears.
You wanna stroke him, Ari?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well
I'll
done.
do in this
They like that, don't they? That's it. Well done.
He's rubbing his head.
He's sad.
He's a lovely one, isn't he? Hi.
Now I do this.
He's lovely.
Put them in my hand.
Nana's got a froggy.
I love Foggy.
They'll probably jump, so that's.
Oh.
Oh, look at him. You want to hold him,
Hold him?
Foxy?
Yeah.
Put your hand there, that's it.
Oh, you can. Oh, don't step on him.
Get him, get him.
There you go.
We'll have to put him in the water
yeah.
because we don't want anyone to
Down.
step on him.
There you go.
Ari? Mika likes frogs. Ari doesn't.
I want him. I like frogs, but I just don't want him. Look how cute he is.
Oh, he's lovely.
Love him. I want him. He like me.
He does like you.
I want him.
Put your hand near Mika. Put your hand near him then, and he'll climb on your hand.
Yeah, he will.
Right, put him in the grass, Mika, so he doesn't get squashed. How much do you think this is gonna hurt?
Alright.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Ow! Look at all the hair. So smooth. Ow! That really hurt. That really hurt. I've got to do another one now. Okay, wait a sec. Hold the camera.
Can I just slip it all over?
Shitting parts! You are a little butt face laughing at me. Oh my god, it's took my tan off. That's like genuine tan.
Oh no.
And it left loads of fucking hair, look. It left loads of ones. That's annoying. Well, they're a bit crap. I'm gonna try again.